Good evening. This is Joe Henches. Hi, everyone, again. This is a market update for Friday, August 30th, last day of August, last day of trading. And just a quick update. What we're looking at here is the S&P 500 ETF SPY. It basically mirrors the S&P 500, as many of you probably know. It was up slightly today. The previous close was 163.91. We basically went up, what, 0.26 today. Let me blow this up just a little bit. You could see that we opened lower, rallied up, and then closed just slightly higher. So that's how these candlesticks kind of work. It's kind of neat because you can see that the close was higher than the open, so that's why it's bullish white showing here. Whereas this bar here, the close was lower than the open, so that's why you have the dark filled in bar. So we're resting on this trend line, which this trend line connects the November low and the June pullback that we had. So really, if we break this trend line, there's a very good chance, in my opinion, that we're going to be testing this low over here in June, where we got a lot of trading activity that came in and some buying that came in. So we'll have to see if we hold here. The 200-day moving average also comes right in to that support area. So it's going to be interesting to see. Right now, I'm not seeing anything that really gives me an indication. I mean, we're in a fairly solid downtrend right now. That's it for just a quick snapshot on the S&P 500. Let's look at a stock, HPQ, Hewlett-Packard. As I blogged about this several times, it's in a very bearish rising wedge, out of this rally mode. It's kind of like three waves, one, two, and then this third wave was this wedge, okay? Typically wedges are the last wave or in a rally mode in a bear move. I'm not sure that is totally clear, but anyway, this thing rolled out of here, and this was Wednesday, August 21st. And I actually went short right before the close there. I bought puts. I got September 27 puts, so I'm in the money. Anything below 27. And of course, the next day, because of the earnings report, it dropped dramatically. I'm expecting this move to totally retrace the back to the beginning of this wedge. And there's some trading support in here. There's some buying that came in here. So we'll look to see, do we get this? I'm really looking for this to continue the downward thrust, and it could potentially even move down here and fill this gap, just like it's filling this gap here that was created on this big up move. So we'll see. I'll keep you updated. By the way, just to show you the power of these option moves, I bought that for 261. It traded as high as 525, closed today at 465. And because they're in the money, it's basically going to move one-to-one with the stock. And so it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. And that's pretty much it. I'll talk to you this weekend. Have a great Friday, great weekend. Talk to you soon.